I have no fear, you cannot smell. Today, smash and hash. Smashburger with hash browns. I like to use 80-20, 2.5 ounces each. Just lightly make them into a meatball. Look at that. 2 meatballs. We got our onions pre-done. I'll put the hash browns on now. I have the lid for my Dutch oven, and that's where I'm gonna do that. Hash browns. Ah. Whoop. Jeez. As always, yeah. Welding gloves. Let it get real hot. Super clean. Fancy. So with a Smashburger, what you traditionally do is you have a ball of meat. You smash it down onto a griddle. But I'm using this thing, and I don't want the meat to squish through those holes and then get lodged. So I have a trick. Parchment paper. One thin. Yes! And now what to do with you? Maybe the same thing. Squish it down. Squish it. Now you're gonna squish it down. Okay. Yes. George Mott's Oklahoma fried onion burger, blah blah, everybody's done it. And just do this. We're gonna work it down on there. There you go. Okay. You, everybody. Bush, leaf, tactics. Hi. See if I can get these two guys in the corner. Look at that! See that? You want it to get super brown, and it's called meat lattice. The lattice of meat. We'll edit that out. No, we won't. Because this is about real life. You know, people put butter on them and whatever, but you just want that. You know why? Because when you bite into it, you get the juiciness of this, and then you get the crunch of that. It's really good. Yeah, gotta scrape. And then, look, scrape it. There we go. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be so good. As soon as you flip those guys over, hit them with some cheese. I gotta tell you, it has to be American cheese because it's creamy and it's salty and it just melts deliciously. But don't do the singles. No. All right, you're going on a burger. You're going in the fire. So this is crunchy. We're gonna take this mass of hash browns. And ketchup goes really well with potatoes. Yep. Yeah, I brought the empty bottle. There we go. And for a little acidity, I'm gonna add a couple pickles. Just like that. Come on, look at that. Ta-da. And look at, it's so high tech. The movement is consistent. It doesn't stop and stutter. It's so high tech. I mean, look. Smash and hash. Hash browns, Smashburger. Oh my God. Help me. You get all the flavors of the Smashburger and then some. Can you see the hash browns right there? You're my friend, Smash and Hash. I have no fear, you cannot smell. I've never said this before on the channel, but subscribe. Like something. It's okay. If not, it's cool too. Let me know what you want to see me cook. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. I'm not sensitive. And you know what else? We're bee free. Not be free, we're bee free, as in none. He went and told his buddies. I like the pickle on there. A little bit of acidity. George Mott's does the Oklahoma fried onion burger. Greg Baker and my buddy Adam. Smash and hash. Copyright G-Bakes 2024. Gotcha. Bees are back. You know what to do. I got business to take care of.